Hi guys, so I guess we all now have an installed TradeEdge Pro indicator in our TradingView tool. Now let's understand how to use this indicator for better performance. So first of all, let's understand this table. So this table is very important to decide which direction you want to trade with. So for example, if weekly, daily are bullish, then on lower time frames, which is might be 5 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour or so, we always have to take bullish trades only, because if you take trade against the direction, then it will be lower probability setup where there are chances of getting a stop loss getting hit is higher. So we have to try to see this table and understand where the market long term trend is. If long term trend, which is on weekly, is currently in bullish, so we have to see or find strong buy signals on the buying side only. If this is on weekly is very bearish, then on lower time frames we have to find for strong sell signals only. We have to ignore signals like normal buy or normal sell, because that might be a consolidation time period for the price. So in that direction, in that sense, you have ignore this. Now let's understand and see if what this chart is showing or what this indicator is showing on Nifty at daily time frame. So guys, see here, it's seeing weekly mein it is bullish, but daily mein it is bearish. So if it is bearish on daily time frame onto lower side, now we have to trade onto shorts on selling side, which is only after a strong sell signals come up. So let's suppose I'm going into 30-minute time frame and let our candle get our indicator get installed. So you can see strong signals had come up here. Now let's understand how to use indicator once the signal has been generated. So let's suppose onto this candle strong signal has been generated. It will also give you entry price where the signal is generated and also give a stop loss for your current existing position. Now it will also give you target point 1, target point 2 and target point 3, which might be your three trailing targets, and it also give you a trailing stop loss. This is trailing stop loss is will be moving throughout the price, because it keep on giving you better trailing stop loss if the position is in profits. So let's suppose you took an entry here, and let's suppose you took an entry here. So what you have to do is to put stop loss above this, and your first target will be at TP1. So TP1 we have to achieve, try will have to try to achieve first. And once TP1 got achieved, we have to see where is trailing stop loss. So let's suppose trailing stop loss is still showing, yeah, there is an space. So you have to move to trailing stop loss, and once the price will come back to trailing stop loss, you have to exit the position. You have to exit the position in two manners: one when stop loss get hit, and second when trailing stop loss get hit. Trailing stop loss and everything you can customize into the setting system. And similarly, for TP2 and TP3, trailing stop loss will keep on moving down, like you can see in gold chart. So we are in gold chart, let's suppose, and let's see when the signal is arrived. So guys, see here strong buy signal has arrived. It also give a stop loss at this place, the signal generated at the entry price, and then there is TP1. So this means that TP1 is already achieved. Now the chart is moving towards TP2. Let's suppose trailing stop loss is above. Let me draw the line to help you guys understand in a better way. So this is our TP1 and this is our trailing stop loss. Right now trailing stop loss is above TP1. It means we have to continue let our profit run until this price will come back to trailing stop loss. Let me draw this. So let's suppose if price will go down and hit our trailing stop loss, we have to exit the position. And there is possibility that price will also go to TP2. In this condition, trailing stop loss will move above. In this condition, trailing stop loss will move above and give you a new target, right? So we have to keep on holding our profitable trades till trailing stop loss, but we don't have to hold our negative trades, below stop loss. So once the stop loss is hit, we have to get out of it. Now let's come into the setting part of this tool. So this is the setting or the tool where you can choose your color theme, either light or dark, or depends upon, it will take time to, so see this now becomes dark. And it also depends ki what custom theme you have into your desktop or on your app. So for ease, let's do it in dark only. This will also show fast and long EMA. So here you can see there is 5 and 10. 5 is slow, and this doesn't have any sense in terms of the logic of the indicator, because the logic of indicator is very different. This is optimized for best possible output, and the basic logic is, obviously the basic logic is combination of momentum indicators, volatility indicators, and volume indicators is what incorporated into this, so that once we'll have signal generated on any of the script, be it gold, forex, any commodity and all, the trend should follow, right? So ideally we also only have to ride the trend. Otherwise it will not make sense, guys, if you keep on short selling a bull run market, or if you keep on buying bearish market, right? So we always have to understand key where the market is going, and we'll try to take some pie, or try to take smaller intros at lower time frame, like 30 minute, 1 hour, or for intraday users 5 minute and all, where you can keep on taking the trades in a direction where market is moving. So if one day or weekly is bullish, then on smaller time frame you can take bull or long trades. If this is bearish, then you can take short trades, and that too strong, so short and strong buy only. Now this is very normal strategy, is normal. So signals sensitivity, we have to keep it 1.5. I have tested into my strategy of this indicator that 5.8 gives you better results. So see, now it will give you a better entry when you took this 5.8. Let me show this again. See, so a more confirmed entry will come at 5.8. The overall risk reward from the strategy, and from back testing onto different scripts, we have figured out this. Now if you want to change candle color, you can do this. If you want to see momentum signals, you can do candles. You can check on this, click OK, and momentum signals will appear like this. But consolidation signal filter is important. You can keep on consolidation signal filter, which will help you identify in case there is any consolidation is happening. But since this indicator is self-sufficient to give you or provide you strong buy or strong sell signals, then there is no problem. Enable training stop loss. You can also enable, like it's already enabled into your tool. You can change the value of percentage of trailing stop loss and all. And this, you don't have to do anything around here. Just enable take profit loss area. So that will represent you this whole setup over here. Now let's go bottom. So you don't have to do all these things. Obviously you can try, and it's also a trend, auto trend line kind of a thing. You can change value and all, but that will obviously change certain value in terms of strong sell, strong buy. As of now, you have to back test what working best for you. But few people have asked me to remove the table. So you can remove or show the table from here. If you'll click show status table, so it will get removed. And if you want to see that table, you just have to do this. You can also change the position of this table, either top right, top left, top bottom left, or bottom right, accordingly. From here, this will help you. Empowering message like stay focused on process is the empowering message, which you can want or you can skip. You can change the size of table, normal, large, or small. So I prefer a small because I just have to see the direction of the market. So that is the direction. Within this enable table, there are certain time frames which we are presenting over. You can customize this if you don't want. So 1 minute, 3 minute is a standard. If you don't want this 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, or 4 hour, you can change this time frames, and this table will get updated as per your required time, where you can see you don't have to smoothing and fatal multiplier You don't have to change. This is all already best possible way may it's got set up. Now you can see trend cloud will help you to figure it out, although because the chart is black. Let me just convert the chart in blue solid, sorry, in black, so that we can see the chart more clearly. So now you can see, just wait for a second guys, let me also check this. So price is not getting, as of now, not showing. Convert this back into white as of now, because we also have to see price in that direction. But yes, that is a trading view feature where we can customize this as well. I'll check, and I guess this is something. Yes, yeah. So now price is also visible to us. We can hide the indicator from here, and we can see this is how it works in black. Now guys, let's just understand what I'm trying to say. Let's take gold or nifty as an example, although I don't recommend anything, because I'm also not getting into Indian stock market mostly now because of this bearish sentiment. So you can see the daily sentiment is bearish, weekly is bullish, because weekly is a longer time frame. So see, weekly is currently in consolidation, which we can see onto weekly. See now, see guys, onto weekly there is a signal to buy, right? But overall, if you go to monthly and see what's the long term trend, so it's currently positive, because there is a strong buy signal came here, which is currently riding the trend from 2014. In weekly it's again a strong buy signal, but weekly, if you take trade in weekly, then you have to wait for at least 4 5 months to get profit out of it. See, the last strong buy came up in July 2023, and then there is a weekly signals in November 25. But nobody knows that in current market situation, or with respect to world or global market situation, the all indexes are very volatile as of now. So what we don't want is to keep on holding our trades for so long. What we usually do is to trade on daily time frame. Onto daily time frame, you can, this is for stock trading, not for nifty, because nifty may you have certain limitations that you have to keep on roll over your existing positions in future and options if you go into day. But yeah, in daily you can see that the current sentiment is sell, and it is bearish. All lower time frame is also bearish. For a better understanding of a different chart, we can go and see, let's suppose Tesla, or let's suppose crypto, Bitcoin. Let's do. So let our indicator come. So see, now here weekly is bullish. Obviously we don't have to go on to weekly, because we are not going to hold the trend for 5 4 6 months. For most of the traders who are trading in terms of swing trading or in terms of intraday trading, there is different kind of strategy. So first let me tell you how to trade for intraday, although I don't support intraday much, because intraday is a method where everyone will go keep on losing money, because the trends are so volatile in a shorter time frame that you don't even get time to hold the trade, and you have to make your decision fast. So in, let's suppose, in 5 minute time frame there is strong sell signal came up, we have to keep, if you want to do intraday only, if then you have to do that, you keep on selling. This is the entry point. Start taking profit 20 30% at each target point, unless or until trailing stop loss got hit. So you can see the TP3 is here, because it is now TP3, but there is no TP4 TP5, so it will connect with trailing stop loss. So it will give you a trailing stop loss. So once the stock will go above trailing stop loss, then there is a potential chance of eroding of your profits. So keep on booking your profit at trailing stop loss once it got hit. Now, since the overall sentiment across the market is bearish, like in daily time frame, then we have to keep on finding setups where a strong sell signal came up. So if you go, then this is the strong sell signal, and this is the TP3 which we got achieved. Again, this is the strong sell signal, but here again the signal reverted and a strong buy came up. So there is this is the point where we hit top loss. So we exited at a stop loss. Strong sell signal, sell, and once the TP1 TP2 achieved, we exited. So what we have to do is to not wait or not hold if trend changes its direction. So you can see the trend is already converted into green. From the red line you can see the line is converted into green, so trend started changing it. Ideally it's good to book profit. He obviously our indicator will keep on telling you that target 1 will got hit, target 2 got hit, target 3 got hit, or a trailing stop loss or stop loss got hit. So we have to follow these things and keep on booking smaller profits rather than um, waiting for a big profit. For big profit you obviously don't have to trade on shorter time frame, then you have to go on to 4 hour or daily time frame where we can catch a bigger trend to book profit. Like let's see the recent one. So strong buy came up here, target point 1 achieved, target point 2 achieved, but 3 not achieved, right? So target point 2 may you have to exit. Now there is a strong sell signal, target 1 is currently achieved. Similarly, strong sell, target 1 achieved, 2 achieved, and 3 might also be achieved. Strong buy may there is nothing achieved. A strong buy may, why it's not achieved? Because the trend is bearish. So if trending bearish, we don't have to go for buy. If trending is bullish, we don't have to go for sell. Please understand this. We have to follow or take the positions into the trend direction. So if it is in buy direction, we have to take the buy trades only, ignore all sell signals. If the market is bearish, we don't have to take buy signals at a smaller time frame, we have to ignore all buy signals. So that's how this indicator works. Let me know if you have still any doubts. I'll make another video. Also I'll do a doubt session for our subscribers very soon where you can understand this indicator better and we can have a more fruitful discussion. Thank you guys, have a nice day. Bye bye.